Today gumawa kami ng cake for a debutant na isang aspiring singer. Super Hearts yung team ng kanyang debut event, so gumawa kami ng cake that will make your heart full. And on top of that, gumawa rin kami ng custom figure ng debutant na nakasing and dance pose. Overall, naging sobrang saya nung kanilang event. So kung gusto nyo rin ng ganitong cake, make sure to order at The Cake District.
Uma história que parou pela metade, cê imagina o resto. É saudade que toma conta de